Good afternoon, children. We have stopped B problem up to third sum. Now we are going to continue with the fourth problem, 0.11 multiplied by 3. So first we will not consider the decimal point. We will consider the numbers and we will multiply. 11 into 3 is 33. After writing the 33, count how many decimal digits were there. After decimal point you have two numbers. So from the rightmost you will start counting two digits. Only two digits we have, so we will keep the decimal point there and we will include 0 in the whole part. 10 into 5. So we will remove, we don't value it and we will multiply 10 into 5. 10 into 5 is 50. After that we are going to check how many decimal places were there. Only one decimal, after decimal point only one digit is there. So from the rightmost part we are moving one digit and we are keeping the decimal point. Problem number 6. We will not consider the decimal point. We will consider the number and multiply. 8 3s are 24. After writing the 24, we are going to count how many numbers were there. After decimal point, only one number. So it is 2.4. Problem number C. Multiply. So we are going to learn how to multiply. 7.08 multiplied by 15. We will leave the decimal point and we will take only the numbers and we will multiply. 708 multiplied by 15. First we will start with the unit number, that is 5. 5 8s are 40, 0 carry over 4, 0 plus 4 is 4, 7 5s are 35. Any number multiplied by 1 you will be getting the same number, 708. We are going to add it, 0, 8 plus 4 12, carry over 1, 5 plus 1 6, 7 plus 3 10. So now we have multiplied the number. Next step is counting it. After decimal point you have two digits. So from the rightmost part we have to count it. 1, 2. So after two digits you are going to keep the decimal point. Problem number 3. 6 into 0.641. We will leave 0 and the decimal point. We will take only the number and we are going to multiply it. 641 multiplied by 6. 1 6 6 6 6 4s are 24. 4 carry over 2, 6 6 are 36, 36 plus 2, it is 38. So we multiplied, we got 3846. This is your answer. Now we are going to count digits after decimal point. 1, 2, 3. So from the rightmost part we will count 3 digits and keep the decimal place. 1, 2, 3. And your answer is 3.846. Exercise 6.13, put the decimal point at the correct place. Now 1.01 into 0.2. They have given the value it as 202. We have not multiplied it. In the book itself they have given number multiplying 101 into 2. It's our work to count the decimal place and keep the decimal point. Now after decimal point here 2 digits, here after decimal point 1 digit, so totally 2 plus 1 3 digits. So from the rightmost part we are going to count 1 2 3 digits and we'll keep the decimal point and add 1 0. And look at the third subdivision. They have multiplied 3 into 11, they have multiplied and they have written 33. Now we are going to keep the decimal point. After decimal point 1 digit, here also 1 digit. So totally 2 digits we are going to move from the rightwards. So it is 0.33. And 2.4 multiplied by 0.9. They have multiplied it 24 and 9. They have written the value it as 216. We are going to place the decimal point. After decimal point 1 digit, after decimal point 1 digits, from the rightmost part we will count 1, 2, 2 digits, then we will keep the decimal point. 2.16. Problem number B, 0.11. That is, we will leave the decimal point and multiply the number alone. 1 into 11 is 11. Now count how many digits were there after decimal point. 1, 2. So totally 2. So after 11, you are going to keep a decimal point and include 0 as you don't have whole number. 2 into 12 is 24. We have written 24. Then we are going to count decimal point. After decimal point 1 digit, 1 digit. So totally 2 digits. From the rightmost part 1, 2, 2 digits you are going to leave. Keep the decimal point and include 0 in the decimal whole part. And 1.3 multiplied by 0.05. we will not include the decimal point, we will include only the number 13 into 5. 13 into 5 is 65. After that, we are going to count the digits 1, 2, 1. So, totally 3 digits. From the rightmost part, count 3 digits 1, 2. Only 2 digits you have. Third digit you don't have. So, include 0. Keep the decimal point. And whole part also 0. 0.065. 9 into 5, 45. Keeping the decimal place after 2 digits. 1, 2. And the whole part 0. So, exercise 6.13, learn problem A, problem B, leftover problems, do it as a homework. Similarly, the problem C. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you, students.